Welcome, and thank you for being here. Today, we are going to explore a skill that quietly changes the way you understand people and the world around you. Most people move through life seeing faces, hearing words, and joining conversations, but often they miss what is really happening beneath the surface. They notice smiles, but miss the sadness. They hear promises, but miss the hesitation. They listen to words, but overlook emotions. This does not mean they are unintelligent. It simply means they were never taught how to observe. But you are here for something different. You are here to learn how to notice the hidden details, the small signals, the quiet truths that many people pass by every day. And while learning this skill, you will also improve your English listening, sentence flow, and understanding in a calm and natural way. So stay with me. Let me ask you something. What connects great negotiators, experienced detectives, skilled leaders, and people who understand others deeply? Before they react, they watch. Before they answer, they listen. Before they decide, they observe. While many people are busy speaking, they are busy noticing. Imagine a father sitting quietly at an airport. Beside him is his young daughter. She talks happily without stopping. She asks playful questions. She holds her toy tightly and smiles at everything around her. The father smiles back. He nods. He listens. To most people, it looks like an ordinary moment. But someone who observes notices more. The smile disappears when she looks away. His hands tighten around the cup in front of him. His foot moves restlessly. And behind his calm face is something heavy, something painful. Later, he hugs his daughter longer than expected and quietly tells her to stay strong. Suddenly, the moment feels different. Observation changes everything. It helps you notice feelings that words never explain. This skill is not about judging people. It is about understanding them. And it starts with the first lesson. Watch the eyes. Many people trust words immediately, but words can be chosen carefully. Eyes often reveal emotion more honestly. A face may smile while the eyes stay distant. A confident voice may hide nervousness. A person may say they are fine while their eyes quietly ask for help. Imagine someone apologizing after hurting a friend. The words sound sincere. The tone is soft. Everything seems correct. But their eyes avoid contact. Their attention moves around the room. Their expression changes quickly. You begin to feel uncertainty. Now, imagine someone seeing a person they secretly like. They say nothing. They continue looking at their phone, yet their eyes lift for a moment. Their expression softens naturally. No words are needed. Emotion already spoke. When talking to people, pay attention gently. Notice eye contact. Notice calmness or tension. Notice if emotion matches the words. Do not stare, just observe. The goal is understanding, not judgment. Now, let's move to another surprising detail, the feet. Most people focus on faces. Very few look lower. But feet often reveal comfort, stress, or interest because people rarely think about controlling them. Picture a job interview. The candidate smiles confidently. Their answers sound polished. Everything looks perfect. Then you notice one foot moving constantly. The heel lifts. The toes angle toward the exit. The body is quietly saying something the mouth does not. Nervousness or discomfort. In meetings, conversations, and public places, feet often reveal direction. Feet pointing toward someone can show interest. Feet pointing away may suggest emotional distance. Fast movement often shows tension. Stillness often shows comfort. Small details matter, and observation lives in small details. The next skill is noticing tiny actions. Real emotions are often hidden in brief moments. A quick touch to the face, a sudden pause, a shoulder movement, a lip bite. These movements are easy to miss, but they can tell a story. Imagine a student answering a teacher's question. The answer sounds confident, yet before speaking, the student touches the neck and clears the throat. The words say one thing, the body quietly says another. Pressure, discomfort, possibly fear. You do not need to accuse anyone, you simply notice. That is enough. The more silent you become, the more visible people become. Another powerful lesson is listening to what people leave out. Most people focus only on spoken words. Observers notice missing pieces. Imagine a teenager telling their parent about the weekend. The story sounds normal. Movies, food, friends. But some details never appear. Important names are missing. Certain moments are skipped. Simple questions create unusual reactions. Sometimes truth hides inside silence. Not every hidden detail means deception, but missing information often deserves attention. Ask yourself, what was not said? What was avoided? Sometimes absence speaks louder than explanation. Now think about timing, not only what people say, but when they say it. Human conversation has a rhythm, speed, pauses, hesitation. All of these matter. Someone answers immediately without thinking. Another pauses too long. Someone suddenly speaks faster during one topic. Someone slows down when emotion appears. Timing often reflects feelings. Real memories usually take time. Prepared answers often arrive quickly. Listen to the space between words. That space sometimes holds the truth. Another important lesson is patterns. People repeat behavior again and again. A person may promise change many times, yet continue the same cycle. Someone may always avoid difficult conversations. Someone else may always blame others. One moment means little. Repeated behavior means something. Patterns reveal identity. Words show intention. Patterns show reality. Watch people over time. Observe consistency. Imagine a coworker who always says, "I'm fine," every day, no matter how tired they look, no matter how quiet they become, no matter how difficult life seems. Always the same answer, "I'm fine." After a while, you realize those words are not information. They are protection, a wall. People often repeat what they need emotionally. Listen carefully. Do they always say nobody understands them? Do they always blame bad luck? Do they often speak about trust, failure, being busy? Repeated language can show the world they carry inside. Now here is one of the strongest tests of character. Watch how people treat those with less power. Anyone can be kind to someone important. Anyone can smile at success. But real character appears in ordinary moments. Watch how someone speaks to waiters, cleaners, drivers, receptionists, security staff, people who cannot give them status or advantage. Do they stay respectful? Do they listen? Do they keep the same kindness? Imagine a businessman speaking warmly to a manager, confident, friendly, polite. Then a cleaner accidentally bumps nearby.
His expression changes immediately. The kindness disappears. Suddenly, you see the real person. Observation protects you. Because behavior toward powerless people often predicts future behavior toward everyone else. And now we reach the final lesson. Stay calm. Because a busy mind cannot observe clearly. If your mind is full of anger, assumptions, ego, or overthinking, you stop seeing reality. You start seeing your own emotions. Imagine looking into a mirror that shakes constantly. The image becomes unclear, not because the world changed, because the mirror changed. Your mind works the same way. To observe clearly, become still. Pause before speaking. Breathe slowly. Listen fully. Watch before reacting. Tell yourself, I am here to understand. Not to win, not to judge, not to prove, just to see. The quiet observer often understands more than the loud speaker, because silence creates space. And inside that space, truth appears. So today you learned something important. Observe the eyes. Notice the feet. Watch tiny movements. Listen to silence. Feel timing. Study patterns. Read clothing. Hear repeated words.
Watch character and protect your attention with calmness. These skills are not for controlling people. They are for understanding them, for protecting your peace, for building wiser relationships, for seeing clearly. Because life becomes different when you truly observe. You stop reacting to appearances. You begin understanding reality. And slowly, you also begin understanding yourself. The world is full of noise, but meaning often lives in quiet places. Thank you for spending this time here. Keep learning, keep listening, keep growing. And remember, sometimes the person who says the least is the one who understands the most.